Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your Betmgm account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then in the search bar, type in Betmgm. Once you press enter, you will get this kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will ask you to select the location. So from this list, select the location. Once you run this page, you'll have to create a new account. To create a new account, all you have to do is click on this sign up button at the top right corner and then follow the procedure. Once you have created a new account, click on this login button, then enter your login credentials. Once you have done so, click on this login button and automatically it will show you this form. So on this form, you'll have to enter your details correctly. For example, you'll have to enter your full name, your date of birth, your social security number, and your address. So enter these details. Then click on this verify my account. Once you complete that step correctly, your account will be verified. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.